What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy VQ Cam.
Daddy, chill.
Back with another video, man. And on the next episode of What's Wrong with VQ Cam's Car, yes, we have another problem. Multiple problems. I'm finna go ahead and tell y'all one by one. First thing first, right? 2 days ago, driving the car, I felt like my transmission do some weird stuff. Like, I was, whoa. I was in Sport DS, you know, you shift it manually. And I'm in like third gear, I think. And I tried to shift and it didn't shift up or down. I was like, damn. I put it back over in the drive and it was still holding the gear. It was just climbing. So I'm like, okay. But when I stopped and came to a light or whatever, it fixed itself and it went back to normal. And I kept it in D after that. I didn't have it in DS. And I started driving and it was shifting, but it was slipping. Like, it was like, I was like, hell no. Don't tell me my trans about to go. So, yeah, that's a problem. Trans ain't out yet, but it's about to go. Or, I don't know how that process works. Or maybe if there's a fix before getting a new trans, y'all let me know. I'm not rich. Y'all see my subscribers. I'm not a rich YouTuber. I'm not one of them big. I'm a normal guy, all right? You know, money don't grow on trees for me. I know y'all be seeing YouTubers and be like, oh, just buy another one. Just get this. Yeah, that's easy to say. Everybody swiping up. Just get a VR30 trans. Oh, but so yeah, that's number one, right? Cool. Next day, y'all not gonna believe this, bro. This is the craziest thing that ever happened. Like, I don't understand how this happened. I'm driving, right? No, I'm not driving. I'm pulling out of my driveway. They've been working on the street in front of my driveway. They've been working on that whole street, and they did like some type of pavement work. There's this little sewer drain in front, like directly in front of my house, but it's not raised out the ground or anything. It always been flat. Every day I come home, I drive clean over it, no problems. Yesterday, I leave the house, drive over the sewer drain, right? Boom. Oh, what the hell? So I'm thinking I hit something because it stopped my car completely. I was rolling and it just stopped my car and I was stuck. Then next thing you know, I hear my car like, it's louder now. Like after that bump, I jerked. Like my idle, oh no. Like, bruh, nah, that shit was crazy. So I'm like, what the hell? And I look under the car, I don't see nothing. So I'm like, okay. I know it was, something with the exhaust. I hit something on the exhaust. So I take the car to an exhaust shop, because they got a lift and they can look at it. Meanwhile, I'm driving to the exhaust shop and the car is screaming loud. So I know in my head, I'm like, okay, it probably snatched my test pipes off or something, bro. So boom, right? I drive to the exhaust shop and I babied the car there because it was so loud, bro. Y'all don't understand. I wish I had a video. I got video of me starting it. I'll show that to y'all. I drive to the exhaust shop. He put it on the lift. Guess what I see, bro? The flex pipe that's connected to the Y pipe. I guess when I hit the sewer or whatever, it literally yanked my exhaust like straight in half. They're disconnected, so it's just open headers basically from the test pipes to the flex pipe, and it's open from there. Both sides ripped completely off, and the exhaust just hanging. That's crazy. I don't think that ever happened to anybody before. I've never seen that happen. That is insane. I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. Like, I was thinking about trading in. Nah, I can't do that, man. I can't. Too far on this build. I'm not even nowhere near done yet. I can't do that. And subscribers, y'all like my car, y'all watching I can't do that, bro. I gotta keep the car, man. All these obstacles I'm running into, I'm feeling like it's a sign saying, get rid of that car. I don't know what the sign is, but I believe in signs. Like, I don't know if the sign is get rid of that car or not, but we gonna work on that car, bro. I'm not giving up. I'm not. So today, I'm going to pick up a new Y pipe. But the thing is, like everybody was saying, bro, just get a new Y pipe, you good. The entire exhaust yanked back. So my tips on the back, they're like sticking out way further. So I think all the piping up in there, everything like bent, the hangers, all that. So I need an entire new exhaust. But I'm starting with Y pipe. I'm gonna go get a Y pipe today. Yeah, y'all wish me luck, man. I'm wore out with this car, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It's crazy. Y'all stay tuned. Look at that, man. Car looking goofy as hell. That kind of look good though. hear that shit, right? All right, man. So y'all know me. Y'all know how I get down. King of not giving up, man. I ain't giving up. No. Ain't no other car. VQ Cam, bro. I'm keeping this car. All right, so look. Z1 Y pipe. I had to cop that quick, fast, and in the hurry. Yeah, so I picked that up today. Exhaust, I'm gonna have to get exhaust, but you know, I'm gonna have to wait because, like I said, mine over on trees. I might go ISR. Y'all just gonna see in the next clip because I'm not gonna pick up the camera again until I got the exhaust. All right, cool. All right, y'all. I forgot to record my exhaust coming in, but I got my exhaust. It's in the back, as you can see. And I'm driving around with open headers. Yeah! Music to my ear. Check engine light, everything, open headers, but you know what I'm saying? We gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
In about 10 miles, turn right.
You did. So, yeah, we're gonna get that real quick. And what are y'all doing? Why are you slowing down? But yeah, we on the way to the exhaust shop. My homeboy, he finna put them on, and yeah, ISR single exit for the win. All right, y'all, made it to the shop. You know what I'm saying? It's the last video of my car with no exhaust on it. I'm probably finna take some reels right now until the dude get here. But yeah, I'm just hanging. No exhaust. All right, y'all, I'll be back. All right, y'all, we made it to the shop. My boy Michael right here. He finna get me right. Boy, I got the cleanest G in the world. Trying to get like him one day, man. Yes, sir, y'all. This how I was running the whole time. Yeah. My boy Michael getting me right though.
Where the hell did you run that wire?
ISR. Big rocket launcher with switch. Quit playing with me. We got problems with the Y pipe. But we finessed it in there. I don't know how long it's gonna stay like that, but like, boom. How you feeling, man?
Share my
Let's see. Oh shit. Y'all, it sound good, man. It sound good. All right, y'all. So this the fitment. ISR single exit. Honestly, in my opinion, single exits look weird on coupes, but I'm gonna get used to it. It sound real good. All right, y'all boys. So the exhaust is on. I shot a couple crazy planes, all type of shit. You know, on some cool shit though. I ain't get it on video, but if somebody send me the video, I'm gonna drop it in the vlog. We outside, BP. If you know, you know who car that is. That boy Allen Boy Raw, coin out here. Yeah, bro, we chilling. But cold is 5-0 out here. Y'all ain't never seen this nigga bro like that. But yeah, man, hey. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Make sure y'all follow your boy, VQ Cam. Gone.